Because we're moving entities. Is there ever a moment when we are still? Is there ever a moment when we are not moving? Have you ever slept? Have you ever dreamed? The body is inert, but the mind is moving. The mind never rests, unfortunately. That's the problem. Sleeping deeply, resting the mind, susupti. Very rarely people enter a state of susupti. Susupti is the third state, deep sleep, susupti, turiya. Very rarely people enter this state. Absolute forgetfulness of everything and everyone. And then we wake up, I feel so good, I really slept soundly, I feel totally refreshed. But unfortunately, very, very rarely does anyone get that type of sleep. And beyond that is turiya, susupti, then turiya. This is this yogi in the meditation, he enters this state at will, without, consciously enters, not under the influence of ignorance or tamagun. So therefore, most of us are always disturbed, consciously or unconsciously. We're always trembling. You know, they have this Parkinson's disease, some trembling old people. But we're always trembling. Our mind is always trembling. This anxiety, this worry, that worry. When we're awake and when we're asleep. The mantra will deliver us. This trembling, this vibration, this wave of the Mahamantra will deliver us from all this trembling, all this anxiety, and bring us to the land of love.